Okay,
Okay.
let's move to the workflow, right? We're going to start
Yeah.
with Cype 3D. We're going to open a
Yes.
project and show there. Okay.
Okay. So this is the structure that I'm going to be using for example. Okay, if I make invisible some of the layers, we can better see how it has been created. This Cype 3D is very easy to use. You can insert a model of bars and nodes. Okay, and it's a 3D environment, so you could start by creating the columns. These columns in this specific sample are actually going to be circular hollow sections. So just to show you and everyone where what kind of sections can we have, can we use inside 3D? We have all kinds of sections, okay? Rolled steel sections, built-up sections with rolled steel plates, cold form steel. Specifically, since we're going to be talking about circular hollow sections, you can see here that we have both built-up sections with rolled steel or cold form steel circular hollow sections. So, um, do we have libraries of these kinds of sections? Yes, we do. Okay, if you click right here, you will find import predefined section series, and you will find all of the library that we have for these kinds of sections. And not to worry, anyone, if you want to create any library that's not already on the software, you can also do it by clicking here on New, and you could create your own library. So this is a bigger
This is a
software
common
than just what?
This is a common topic, right? That it's editable and you can add elements to the library, both
Of
the connectors
course.
library here, the sections library, you can add elements.
Exactly. You can use any library that's already uploaded into the software, or you could create your own. You can see that we not only have steel bars, but we also have timber and aluminum. Okay, it's not the matter of this section, but we have them. Okay, and also, of course, circular hollow sections. So using all of those, I have created this structure so we could start by making visible more of the structure with the beams. Okay, we have also added the loads. And just like that, we could complete our structure. We'll complete it with bracings. Okay, we can add more bars and complete this structure. So I said that the work, like the environment is 3D, and it's true, okay, it's 3D, but it's also 2D. You can create your own windows, and not only 2D, but you could, yeah, you can make any plane, any window to see the structure in any angle, in any possible angle. So, also, of course, these bars get analyzed using any of these codes. If we click here for cold form steel, for example, you will find the US code, you will find Canada code, like you can take a look, and we have yeah, for of course Euro codes, United Kingdom, Germany codes, etc., etc. So when you click here on analyze, what you will find is all the results. Okay, you can check the elements one by one. They will be shown in green if they're correct, like if they meet all they verified all the checks, and they will be shown in red if they don't. We can also get the ULS checks for the specific code that we have used to analyze the job, and you will find the justification of every check right here. This can
That's
be
something that I like to emphasize always, that our reports, they keep the equation so you can actually see what the software is doing. There is no black box, and engineers usually love it because it's much better to know what the software is doing. They can check if they like the analysis. And yeah, we are very proud of our analysis. That's why we have no fear of showing everything that we do.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's a lot of help to see what the software is using, like all the numbers. You can get the checks, and of course you can show the forces over the bars, or you could here on the form shape we could see for any load case we can get display what the form shape is going to look like for. So there are a lot of tools and many ways to access the results right here. Okay. Also, Cype 3D, although we're going to move to solve the detailing of the whole structure and a lot more a lot more detail. Sorry, I want to point out that Cype 3D also has its own drawings, so you could easily generate the drawings from the structure with just a click. Okay, it's just that for manufacturing, we need more detail
We need
than
further
this.
details, yeah, that we're gonna
Yes,
get in Strubing Steel.
exactly. So that's what
And
we're going
also,
to
you can
do.
also generate connections in Cype 3D, right? It's
Oh
just that
yeah,
there are simpler connections, the typical connections, and in
exactly.
CypecLip you can generate any free-forming connection you want, right?
That's right. For both SideCAD and Cype 3D, there's a specific library of connections that they solve automatically. And for any other connection that they don't solve, then we can export it to Cype Connect or Stream Steel and solve any connection there. So let's do that. I don't know if you can see right here. This is my name. I'm already
Yeah, we
connected
can.
to BIMserver.center. Okay. This is very easy when you're not connected. Here shows to sign up on your account and sign in, sorry, in your account. And then by clicking here on BIMserver.center, we're going to use this link option to link this Cypher job to a project in BIMserver.center. So I have already created a BIMserver.center project, but you could create your own by clicking here on create new. I'm just going to click on select project because I already have one. I'm going to use that. So as you can see, we're right now signed into my account, and then we're by clicking on exit, we will be linked to this project in BIMserver.center. Does
So
this mean?
to help people, we have started in Cype 3D, and you are now connecting the project that you're doing now to the project you have in the BIM Service Center in the cloud, right?
Yes,
That's called
correct.
V4. That's called V4, and we're gonna
V4.
keep working on V4, not in Cype Connect, but not in Cype 3D, sorry, but in Strubim still, right?
That's correct. Exactly. Yes. So this is just telling the software if we send the information where in the cloud it's going to be stored. So this will be stored right here. If we come to BIMserver.center in my projects, I have a project called V4. Okay. And this will be stored right here.
Okay, we can see it.
Right now I have previously uploaded it, but we're gonna do it again just to show the workflow. If we click here on BIMserver.center, if we click on share, this is what the software will tell us. Export forces to design connections. This is very important. So not only the bars get exported, but also the forces, so we can then analyze the connections. Okay, and we'll see it in Stream Still. So I'm right now connected to my BIMserver.center account to this project, and when I click here on share, this will be sent to this project.